How's it going, everyone? Today, I'll show you how to reset oil life on the 2004 to 2014 Acura TSX. It's very simple, and you can do this yourself at home and never spend more money than is necessary for your next oil change. So let's go for it. All right, if you have a 2004 or 2005 Acura TSX, you can reset the oil life by using the knob on the dash. So let's get right into it. Step 1. With the ignition off, press and hold the select knob on the left of the dash. Step 2. Then turn your key to the position 2. Step 3. Keep holding the knob for about 10 seconds until the maintenance light is blinking, then disappear, and you're done. Okay, there are a couple of different ways to reset the oil life monitor in the 2006 to 2008 Acura TSX. In this section, I'll show you the steering method. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn the ignition to position 2. Step 2. Press the info button until you see the oil life or service on the screen. Step 3. Hold the reset button down for 10 seconds until the display changes. Step 4. Use the info button to switch over to reset, and then press the reset button to perform the oil life reset, and you're done. The other way to reset the oil life on this car is by using the cluster button. So here's how it's done. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2. Step 2. Hit the reset knob on the right to take you to the oil life screen. Step 3. Then we're going to hold it down for roughly about 5 seconds until it gives us the setup menu. Step 4. Next, rotate the reset knob clockwise, and it's going to say reset on the screen. Step 5. Now hold the reset knob down, and the oil life will be reset. If you have a 2009 to 2014 Acura TSX, you can reset the oil life by using the steering wheel. So here's the way to reset it. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2. Step 2. Press the arrow button until you see the oil life or service on the screen. Step 3. Hold the reset button down for 10 seconds until the display changes to the reset menu. Step 4. Use the arrow button to switch over to reset, and then press the reset button to confirm the oil life reset, and you're done. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed today's content, please leave feedback in the comments section below. We would appreciate it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.